How to enable or disable automatic time zone on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on General Management. In here, tap on Date and Time. Then we go down and tap on automatic date and automatic time zone. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off. If you turn off automatic time zone, you can manually select your own custom time zone. Otherwise, you can turn on automatic time zone and the phone will use the time zone provided by your mobile network provider. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.